Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So, man, today I've been waiting for a full video performance of this, like the whole day. We finally have one, man. Today we're gonna react to the SB19 full performance at Supersonic Osaka 2026. Man, I am so excited. I am just so proud, man. It's SB19, no? Left and right, man, binibigyan tayo ng karangalan. Marami na naman Pilipino ang proud to be Pinoy, no? Mga bandwagon na naman yung lalabasan. But I'm really excited with this, man. SB19, once again, you know, nagbibigay ng karangalan and showing Filipino talent sa international or other countries. But without no further ado, let's get it. Oh shit, ang lapit natin, man. Ang lapit natin sa stage. By the way, this is from Just In Time channel. If you guys want to watch the full video, or maybe you watch the performance of SB19 in a different channel, and you want to watch this specifically, again, this video that we're reacting right now, as a Just In Time siya na channel. I'm gonna put the link down the description. Siguro naman si ate. SB19. SB19. Lagi nakakaano eh, no? Lagi nakaka-goosebumps yung intro ng SB19 eh. Always concert feels, man. By the way, WW3, man. W's in the chat. Oh shit, we're doing kulto. Let's go, Dam. What the hell? Going crazy, man. W3 just going crazy as well. Crazy mode. Guys, calm your tits down. Kawawa naman kaming timbahay dyan, marinig. Calm your tits down, guys. Ooh. That's no instrumental, no? Si Josh lang maririnig mo. Come bite me. Lahat ng using dito. Grabe si ate. Si ate, grabe. Hindi ko marinig yung mga bias ko. That's the Sunshine Duo, by the way. Onti na lang marinig ka ni Justin natin. Onting-onti na lang. Oh shit, crowd going crazy. Hey, hey. susunod, man. Woo! This Everest. Natawa ako sa mga sumisigaw eh. Eto na, eto na. Ang daming. Dang, dang. Ba't ba, ba't ba? Teng, teng. Oh, as with it going crazy, man. Crazy mode. No. Balik natin. Ganda nun. Let's go. Don't ever forget it, man. Alam natin na sobrang nalulod na tayo sa ganda ng vocals nila, but don't you ever forget, man, na SB19 is a great fucking dancer, man. This whole group. Pagkatapos ng dance break, bilang mapakantay mo si Justin ng ganito, no? Torture na lang yung sarili niya talaga nila eh. Ito yung sinasabi ni Pablo na sometimes pina-perform nila yung mga kanta nila ng, medyo mas mababa yung tono, no? Because hilig nilang magsasayaw, no? Ng mag-dance break. Tapos ang susunod nilang gagawin is bibirit, no? we all know that Stel can do more than that, man. Hey! Oh, ngayon ko napansin. Sa beat merong, parang may gano'n na sa background, no? Beat niya. Let's go. Yes, sir. The classic. We have to do the classic, of course. No later. Bake that potato. Shape me for major, but I see me, no, mediocre. You are a tease. Marumi, marumi, marumi. Ew. Hey. Power. Every time? Talaga? All the time? Na si Justin, na si Justin ang ano? Gento, Gento. Hey, hey. Gento, Gento. Anong kaya mo? Por eso bawat bitaw ko. Mismo. Hey! Ang ganda ng angulo ni Justin Time, no? Kasi harap na harap siya, like sentrong-sentro siya. So, kitang-kita natin yung choreography talaga. Like, ng gantong angle, no? Yung sintas daw ni Stel. Ay, ako. May pa-slow mo. This guy as always, no? Daming tuwitili. Danger. Hey, hey, hey. Brazilian boy. Hey. Ooh, yeah. Hey. Dance break. Back to back, no? Every track mayroong dance break. Tayo ano parang Gento. Ordinaryo. Si ate sumigaw ng Gent. Pinigil yung sarili ko. Gent. Hey! Hey! Non-stop action pack, man. Hindi ako makasigaw ng maayos kasi tulog pa yung mga tao dito. Akala nyo ba? Nag-iingay-ingay ako dito. 6 pa lang ng umaga. 6 pa lang ng umaga ngayon. Minasan! Let's go!
Joshua still there?
Parang kapag sinabi ni Pablo na, what's up, it's Sejun. Biglang kumano na out of the blue, man. pang ano lang, pang confused lang ng ano, ng mga 18, no? What's up, I'm Sejun.
Joshua still there? Josh Des, rescue.
Hey!
Philippines, kaya Maxda! Osaka, Subarashi!
Subarashi! Subarashi, de!
Hina, Rita Shiburi Des.
Ba't ka nagbabasa? Ba't ka nagbabasa?
Honored to be here with all of you. We're once again back here in one of our favorite countries, Japan. And we're
Nakaraan lang si Pablo nag-bakasyon sa Japan, di ba? Siya lang mag-isa.
so honored and grateful to be performing at Summer Sonic Osaka. We've got something special prepared for you tonight, and we're ready. We're going to give it everything we've got. Junbiya! Dekriyo ka?
Kahit hindi ko alam sabihin nyo, alam kong medyo mali yung pagkasa. Kahit hindi ko alam kung paano bigkasin yun or ano yung tamang tunog nun, alam ko na nagkamali. Hindi naman nagkamali, pero yung mali yung pagkakabigkas niya, kumbaga, yung, you know, yung tono ng pagkakabigkas niya. Kasi may kita mo sa mukha niya, na alam niya sa sarili niya. Oh my God.
I forgot. Junbiwai! Junbiya.
Jumbiya?
Okay? Dekiro kara. Okay? Osaka, once again, make some noise! We are so happy to be sharing this moment with all of you tonight. Are you guys excited?
Yes, sir!
Your support means so much to us, and we hope you can feel how grateful we are.
We too.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Anto, arigato.
Tonight is about breaking boundaries and of course introducing our music to you all. Are you guys ready for one more?
Of course.
Let's go. Lawless. Muhammad.
Lawless. No love in the land of the lawless. Hey! Alam mo yung gandang-ganda talaga ako sa choreography ng Lawless, man. Gandang-ganda talaga ako sa choreography nito. Lalo na yung mga ano nila, parang slow mo sila nagkagano'n ng barila. So gusto ko talaga yun. Yung mga pa-slow mo nila na yung baril. Look at the goat at the background, man. And the land at the law. Oh, it's getting dark, you know? Magiging mas maliwanag na yung background lights, man. And at the loudest. Let me come for you. What you, get in your head now. Ooh, in the night. The tempo. Strawberry. Wow. Paint the whole town. I mean, at this point, I'm just waiting for Lawless to have a dance break, man. Told you, just give it like a few months. We're going to have a dance break sa Lawless, man. Break the chain. Hey. Grabe, no? This 5 is just a stamina god, man. At this point, kung isa ako sa kanila, hinihingal na ako. Hinihingal na ako. Kahit na huminto tayo kanina to introduce, isa't isa. Kung ako yon, hinihingal pa rin ako, men. Hindi pa sapat yun. Lawless. Lawless. In the land of the lawless. Hey. In the land of the lawless. Hey. In the land of the lawless. Bang. Hey. Choreography din ng emoji maganda. No? Hey. Keep it exciting. Same time. Be between the lines. Hey. I'm beautiful. No telling what's true. Emoji. What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, everybody's ill. Woo! Dang. Hey. Oh, SB19 just making me hype, man. Aga-aga pa. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. The fan service. Hey. But alam mo ba? Ito mga tumitili, no? Stamina god din to, no? Stamina sa pagtili, man. At this point, man, we're on what? 18 minutes na silang tuloy-tuloy tumitili, no? What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey. Go-Pings talaga si ano no, Josh? Go-Pings talaga si Josh, man. Let's go. Oh shit. Oh shit. They have quit on their set list, man. Let's fucking go, man. It's been a long time, no, since we last saw them perform this. Let's go, man. This is a fucking treat. What? Ano sabi niya doon? Ano sabi niya doon? And I'm a how I never still be kind. Let's go, Josh. Come inside. It'll take a while. Ooh, I'm just loving the vocals of Josh recently, no? Let's go, man. This song is just amazing, you know? I mean, itong kantang to, no, even though bihira na lang natin makita silang i-perform tong kantang to. Hindi na luma sa akin to kasi palagi siyang tumutugtog, no? Kasi meron akong, kasi again, nabanggit natin regarding playlist, no? Diba? We have playlist, depende sa kung ano yung ginagawa mo. Again, I have playlist for like, you know, like pag may ginagawa ka, and then you just wanna listen to music at the same time. So, meron akong playlist na ganon, no? Ano yun? Consists of a lot of artists na pinapainggan ko, no? And Quit is one of the songs na nasa playlist na yon, no? I mean, there's a lot of SB19 songs sa playlist na yon. Na, yung, alam mo yung, for example, naglinis ka ng bahay, diba, gusto mo ng music sa background, yung magtutuloy-tuloy lang siya, or for example, you're doing something, basta kahit ano, man. Meron akong playlist para doon. And Quit is, you know, on that list. So, parang di siya naluma sa akin kasi yung playlist na yun yung mas madalas kong napapatugtog. Get what I mean? I mean, bali pala ako, hindi ako nanibago na painggan siya. Kasi lagi siyang, lagi siyang napapainggan, kumbaga. Kill the colors in my eye. Feel my heart will still be kind. We're getting the shakes. We're getting the shakes again from Pablo, no?
Thank you so much for singing with us. Let's make new memories together.
Oh, I guess we're next song is Memories. Of course.
Still look in your eyes. I can't get enough of you, I forget it. All brown niggas tonight.
Hey.
It's only not too late. Okay, stay in the moment and keep my focus. 나갈 고래 또 내린 나의 뼈를 kahit pa makupa, sugat ay di mainita. Nakalimutan ko na ang malayunan. Feeling like an ecstasy. You got me getting when I'm
Good job. Good job. S19 just have bangers after bang. You know, realize mo S19 all, has like bangers after banger song, man. Like, god damn it, man. Pagkapaingin mo yung mga kanila, doon mo ma-realize na shit, man. This guy, this group never missed, man. This bebop group never missed. Itutulak pa nga. You know what? I just realized, no? Ken, recently, no, I don't know about you, but yung mga clips na yung mga TikToks, again, I usually watch their TikToks, man. But recently, no, so, laging merong ngiti si Ken sa mukha niya, no? I don't know why. Maybe it's, it's a, maybe, I don't know. It's just different, man. Ako lang ba? Like sa TikToks and, all the things na ginagawa nila, lagi siyang, meron siyang ngiti. Meron nga silang isang, kalimutan ko yung TikTok na yun, yung ngiting-ngiti siya, yung sayang-saya siya, kitang-kita mong masaya talaga siya. Like, again, no, since dumating yung era ng, like, pagtatag, parang, dun lumabas yung pagka-serious mode ni Ken, no? But recently, mas madalas siyang ngumingiti, no? I don't know. I love it actually, no? God damn. I mean, at this point, I don't have, a voice anymore. Again, kung SB19 member ako, I don't have like the voice anymore to sing at this point. I'm exhausted. Let's go.
Osaka! Tani Shindaru!
Yung turuan siya ni Stella bago magsalita.
Thank you!
Ano nga ulit, sabi?
Osaka! Tani Shindaru!
Nakakatawa yung ano nila.
What did you say?
Ano yun?
Shindaru? Tani Shindaru?
Benta si Josh kay Stel. bunot ulit, no? There are things that never change talaga, man.
Doing great, right? Everyone make some noise for Josh. Next time, I will practice more. Yeah, you can practice more. But I think Osaka can do better, right? Osaka! Moto dekiru? Ready? Can I hear you one more time? Make some noise! Woo! One more time, make some noise! Wow, thank you.
And once again, thank you all so much for having us here. And we are so excited.
Why are you checking the,
here at Summer Sonic. Let's go!
We're very happy to be here. Are you guys happy to see us tonight? And speaking of music, I think
I guess the prompt is not working. I'm just assuming in here parang na lost sila sa ano sa like yung pina-follow na ano.
you guys are ready to party.
Wala ka natin, no? Marami tayong options for partying. Party. Ready to party? Ano kayang kanta? Crimson.
Are you guys ready to party tonight?
Yes.
Oh, I think they're ready.
I think
But we need to know, if you're ready to party, are you guys ready to jump with us?
jump with us.
Jump with Dekiru? Really? Okay, I will see that. Let's see if you jump with us. If you jump with us, okay.
Chal.
Sige,
Ate, narinig kita sa video. Narinig ka na ng mga nanonood sa reaction video na to, ate. Sabi ni ate, isang kaldag daw muna. Alam ba yan ng mga magulang mo?
If you jump with us, if you jump with us, okay.
Isang kaldag muna.
Once again,
Isang kaldag muna.
Philippine Karam Kanyas. Philippine
Okay. Kaya mo yan. Gabale.
Once again, Philippine Karam Kanyas. Philippine Karam Kimashita. SB19 Deshita. Let's go.
Let's go. Mukhang mali ako sa option ko, no, for partying. It's Visa. Hey. Patasay. You make the sound. That was up. Bang, bang, bang. Wala. Ito na naman yung choreography nila na nakakapagod, no? Itong Visa talaga yung sa mga choreography nila na nakakapagod. Panoorin pa lang, ha? Hindi ka pa sumasayaw, ha? Hey! Wala. Kalmahan mo lang.
May lahat ng parang pagkati lang. May sa baba sa taas meron ng Ava, Basco, M. Jacinto, O. Rodrigo, Bruno, Nico, Joseph. Ay baka naman!
Pablo! Ito na, no? Ang nakakapagod na part ng choreography nila. na hindi 30 plus friendly na choreography. Pek. Wala pa rin dating. Pek, wala pa rin dating. Crimzone? Crimzone? Anyone? Crimzone? Akalain mo yon? Ito na naman tayo sa diss sa'yo na umabot na ng Summer Sonic. Nakakaasar, no? Dinaan sa Lollapalooza, umabot ka ng Summer Sonic. Pati Summer Sonic, dinidiss ka pa na. 2026 na, boy. Hey! Let's go! Hey! Let's go! Hey! Pasensya boy, di mindset. Gusto mo may pa lip bite si Justin? Hey! Literal na pinalo no? Naramdaman kita mo yumanig si si Jose. Pinalo literal Hey. Lupa. Nakakailan na si lahat na pinalo no? Hey. Hey. Grabe yung braso niyo. Bam! Stell is a beast, man. Stell is a beast. Crimson? Anyone? Anyone? Crimson?
For the people who doesn't know us, from now on you're gonna remember us. Let's do this again.
Very iconic. Very iconic. Hey, hey. Now we run.
These are just to the main. They can't play ball and got the hands to go buy more text. BBS on drip with a Nike. Too cold on my skin standing. Got lead in the back who can stop me. Been a long time but the voice so bossy. Now the time for the next time. Gonna find people see more bossy. Y'all too easy but I'm gonna see that I'm more see. Got you more than one thing. Look at my room. That's how I do it. I'm the one. Come and see me believe it. Now I love my season.
Hey. actually forgot that I actually forgot that I'm reacting, man. I'm just enjoying the fucking show, man. I'm sorry, guys. I forgot that you're there. Crimson. Red Crimson. Mic drop. Ano ko? Mic drop. Nahila yung tenga ko.
Thank you so much, Summer Sonic Osaka!
Let's go!
You guys enjoyed the performance?
Yes, sir!
We're very excited to see you in Tokyo too! Are you coming to Tokyo? And also we have a fan meeting in Yokohama! Are you guys coming too?
The fan
Are you
meet.
guys coming too?
Yes!
Okay, we're expecting you guys there. So see you in Tokyo and in Yokohama, okay? Once again,
Sila
this
lang.
is SB19 from the Philippines!
From the Philippines! Let's go! Goated. Goated performance, man. Goated. Let's fucking go. Okay. That is again SB19 and their full performance in Summer Sonic Osaka 2026. Ano bang ina-expect natin, no? We just expect greatness, no? To tell you honestly, nakalimutan ko nag-react ako sa last part doon, no? I'm just enjoying the show, man. Ganun kaganda yung performance nila palagi, every single time. But yeah, that's our reaction for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And see you on the next one. Peace.